Hello everyone, welcome back to Jerry's View. Today we're going to take a look at the D-Link 5-port 10100 switch model GOSW5E. This switch is a unmanaged or a plug-and-play switch which is ideal for non-tech savvy person if they want to have a hardwired devices for faster and more reliable internet. Let's get started. In the box, we will find a power supply adapter, a quick installation guide manual, a warranty card, and a D-Link 5-port switch. The D-Link 5-port switch, 10100 means it takes 10 megabit to 100 megabit what do you call this, flow, or it manages it. It's a very basic, simple, easy to use switch, and most of all, it's very affordable. I mean, yes, there are gigabit switch or which devices that runs gigabyte of data, but for purposes of, basic purposes like streaming, using a VoIP phone, browsing, watching on YouTube, this device is more than enough, because basically this allows your hardwired devices to get download or upload up to 100 megabytes or megabit per second, which is way fast already. So what makes this device or this unit very good or very easy to use too is, first of all, it's the size. Let me get a measuring ruler so I could show you how small the device is. So here's a ruler, and you'll see that it's less than an inch tall, less than 2 inches wide, and it's less than 3.5 inches, so it's really small. And it's so light, and the finish, it's made of plastic, but the finish, smooth, glossy finish, white on gray, two-tone, and it's just amazing. I mean, you plug it once and you won't be seeing this again. It depends on where you place it, but I mean, if you have a networking cabinet or a place where you want to put all your networking stuff, I mean, once you install this, it's done. Install it, you see it once, that's it. Now let's talk about how to install this. And installing the D-Link switch is very easy. What makes it easy, this is a unmanaged switch, meaning you don't need to go into the device and set it up, put some, whatever settings you put. I mean, if you're not a tech savvy and for those purposes like streaming and everything, I mean, you don't need a managed switch. Having a managed switch is good in a sense, but if you're not a tech savvy person and for the purposes that you want to use it, like voice over IP, phone, streaming, watching YouTube, just to get the full potential of your internet. I mean, plug and play is more than enough. So to install it, all you have to do is power it up, right? Plug in the power supply, which is here, and plug this to a any power supply, a power outlet. Then you plug any of this port, the incoming, or basically what is connected to your router or modem, or if you have a router combo, a wireless combo modem. So there are ports at the back that you plug it in there. The outgoing, or the port, the main port there, you plug one in here, and then the rest goes to your device. So basically, one port on your main router goes here, and then all your other devices goes here. So you get 4 devices that you can plug in here. So basically, one port from your main device becomes 4. So let's set it up. Let's do some tests just to show you the difference between running a wireless device, the speed, and once it's connected to a hardwired, you'll see the difference on the speed of the internet alone. So let's do it. So here's my setup. So I use my panel, or in the basement, as my main hub for my switch. So basically, this blue wire is my incoming, or my main. So it's plugged in to the switch, and then these 2 devices are my outgoing, or it gets supply from the switch. So see, here's my magic jack. It is connected to it, right? And then my magic jack is plugged into the main what do you call this, phone in the house. So I can plug any phone inside the house. So huge savings. And you can see I installed a here's the power supply for the switch, which is a surge protected what do you call this, a power bank, or not a power bank, but what do you call this, like a power splitter or power bar. And that's it. So now let's it's easy to install. And now let's see the difference between running a Wi-Fi and a hardwire device, and let's see the difference, if it is worth spending all the troubles and the money on putting a switch. Well, let's do it. Here is my Android box that is streaming through Wi-Fi, and let's see the speed of what I get. My internet speed is 150 megabit per second download, up to, which is seldom you get from a provider here in Canada. But let's do a speed test and find out first how fast I get using a Wi-Fi. As you can see that I only get 10 megabit. My upload is even faster than my download using a Wi-Fi. So now let's hook it up. Let's hook up the hardwire and see what is the improvement that we get. Okay, so now that I'm hooked up, I turned off my Wi-Fi and then turned on my Ethernet. And you can see here at the bottom, let me see if I could show it. that I'm hardwired to my my router. So let's do the test again and see what improvement internet wise that I get. So let's open again the speed test. There you go, test again. So here we go. So the ping is faster, and you can see that the download is definitely way faster. 10 times faster than what I, almost 10 times faster than what I had get before. I mean, the upload is a little bit much better. I'm getting a good upload already, but now I'm getting the maximum, the 16 that I get from my provider. So that's the difference. Hardwired is really way better than Wi-Fi, which is, we already know, but just to show that, you know, a $9 device would significantly change or make your internet experience much better. So there you are, the D-Link 5 port 10100 Mbps switch. Bought it for less than $10 here in Canadian dollars, and with some other cables that is needed, probably it cost me $30 the most, and with this result, I mean, it's all worth it. I hope you like this review, and if you have any comment, please let me know, and if I miss anything, let me know in the comment, and please do subscribe. It will help me out and do more reviews, and see you again next time on Jerry's View.